Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I do have one of my subscription bags and from Eyescream Beauty. So I just got this. I just put up the video of the Eyescream Beauty box and now I got the bag. Now the bag usually, it has mainly three, it has anywhere from 3 to 6 items. Sometimes they put multiples in a bag. So actually, I've got 3 things, but there's actually 5 items in here. So anyway, I'll show that. I also, I don't have everything here that I got in my Eyescream Beauty box, but I'm going to show you a look from that too. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so I do have my bag here, and I also have a couple things I got in the box. Now, if you want to know what's in the box, you can check out the last video. I got 5 things in the box. This month was geared towards eyes, and so it had a lot of eyeshadows and whatnot. And I got this palette in my Eyescream Beauty box, and it's just duochromes. It's from Shantico Beauty, and they're kind of known for these duochromes. Well, I got a purple and kind of an orangey peach, and it's just not me at all. But I said in that video that I might try it, and guess what? I did. So today, it didn't come on very profound. I mean, I layered and layered, and it still isn't the most profound look. But honestly, all I have on my eyes is these 2 colors. That's all I did. And it's kind of, I'm surprised. I didn't think they'd look good together, but I don't think it's bad. And so I'm kind of happy about that. It made me try something new. So anyway, there's that. The other thing I got was from Ofra. The palette I got in my box was from Ofra right here. And I thought maybe I would try, since my makeup's kind of old, I've been wearing it all day, I thought maybe I'd freshen up with some of the things from this. And then, actually, I'm going to wait, but there's that palette. And I'm going to just go ahead and show you what's in the bag. And then at the end, we'll kind of come together and see what we can do with what we have. So anyway, the first thing, I am going to pull out the palette first. Usually I wait till last, but we got a palette from Trend Beauty. It's like a boss. It's a beautiful palette, very thick and heavy duty. This palette is valued at $15. Trend Beauty is a really inexpensive brand, but they carry some really fabulous eyeshadow palettes. I know you can get it at Walmart. I'm not sure, probably other stores. But anyway, so that's what it looks like. And honestly, I am like so happy with this color scheme. It's totally along my lines. I love it. It's got the pinks and the berries and the browns, the neutrals. So I'm going to have fun with this palette. It may be one of my go-to palettes. I don't know. But anyway, so there's that. That's the first thing. The next thing I'm pulling out is another eyeshadow because like I said, this was the eyeshadow kind of month for eyeshadows. So this is from Bella Pierre and it's called Purple Bliss. I am not a purple girl, although the color I have on is purple. This right here, and I kind of like this. So if I'm going to try a purple look, this may just be the one I try. So there's what that looks like. So anyway, yeah, so not bad. Okay, so the third thing I have in the bag here is also from Bella Pierre. It's a three-piece set. And actually, this is from Rachel Couture. I thought it was from Bella Pierre. It's from Rachel Couture. The Bella Pierre the trio, the purple eye trio, that is valued at $10. This right here is valued at $25. Now this has eyeliner, pencil, liquid eyeliner, and mascara. So I know I'm not sure I'm going to be happy. I don't like the liquid eyeliners, but I do like the pencils and gel. Gel is my favorite, but this is a pencil. It looks like it might be a decent one. Some pencils are really good. So this Rachel Couture, there we go. There's that. Very fine tip. So that's that. The next one here is, looks like the mascara. And then this one, this is the mascara. I might put some on. Actually, is it mascara? It's hard to tell. It doesn't seem like there's much in there. And then this is a liquid eyeliner. So I used to love liquid eyeliners, but I'm just not really a fan anymore. I'm going to try this though, just kind of my freshen up here. See how this mascara works. It's not bad. I don't have a lot of mascara on. So anyway, there's the trio. So where's the other one? Pencil. So there's that. I got the purple eyeshadow palette and then the Trend Beauty. So those are the 5 things I got in my beauty bag. Now the beauty bag is $15 a month. And anyway, so it's a decent value for what you pay for it. So anyway, some months are better than others. I don't know if I've liked other months better. Let's just say that. But this one isn't bad. So let's go back. I tried the mascara. I don't know if I could do anything more to my eyes. I could take this purple palette right here maybe and see if I could take the darker color. I'm just going to use the applicator that came in here. And maybe, I don't know if I'll mess it up, but let's try to, maybe we can darken the corner right here. Okay, I am going to try a purple look. Okay, that's my next thing. This, I guess, kind of is a purple look, but I don't think that this eyeshadow right here, I'm just not sure it came on. The colors, you know, they don't look the same. But this looked too orange or whatever, but it kind of came on peachy, and I actually really like it. So it's fun for summer, that color. Anyway, so let's look at the Ofra Mini Mix palette right here. And let's see what I can do with it. I am just going to freshen up my face. So I'm going to take the bronzer right here. And I'm just going to do a little touch up right here. Okay, and then I'm going to take my blush. I'm going to come over with this blush right here. Freshen up the blush look. Then I'm going to take the highlighter. Now, I have had this highlighter in a palette in itself. This highlighter right here is a lot of times, it's like you pay $35 for it. This is 4 colors. I like to mix them all. It's got the white, the pink, and kind of a golden and a kind of a little bit of a tan color. So just go like this. And we're going to do a little bit of highlight. Over highlights are so wonderful. I just love them. So, that palette was fun. And I think you can use this on your, thing about Ofra is you can use their products on anything. Like, you know, you can use any of their products on your eyes, your cheeks, your lips, whatever. So I do like that. So I'm going to have fun playing with this palette. So that's it for my look and for the Eyescream Beauty bag. Let me know what you think. Did you like the bag? Is it, to me, it's fun. It's fun to get every month and it's inexpensive. So it's a fun way to pick up new makeup. They do a lot of indie type brands or brands I haven't maybe heard of, but it's fun to try them. And then you always get the eyeshadow palette. No matter what, you're going to get an eyeshadow palette in it. So it is a fun box. If you're interested, I do have a link below in the description. And so I guess that's it for today. Thank you for being here. I love your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.